Hey guys, Saturday morning and I'm filming at my workplace. Thought I would share with you this little project that I made. To make a long story short, at my workplace you need to have a helmet on, and sometimes drivers come and all sorts of people, and they are not aware that you need to have a helmet, and it causes some problems, legal things, insurance and stuff. So I started off by making a sort of a sign, which you can see on the right side, which consisted of a pole with a helmet screwed on it, an old helmet, and a sign that said that you had to have a helmet on. Now it has a piece of paper on it so that you can't see the company name. But then I thought maybe I will make it a little bit more interactive and just incorporate an Arduino with it and some lights and make it a little bit more visible. And I got good feedback from it, from people that actually came across this when they walked inside the company. And we're going to see the one on the left. That's the improved version. I'm going to switch the view so that we can see a little bit closer, and I'm going to show you the circuit and how it works, and maybe you will like it and you can make something similar. So here we have a bit of a close-up view. You can see that compared to this sign here, which is just a piece of paper on a pole, this thing, when you move next to it, it blinks here on the helmet. So it has this ultrasonic sensor, and I set the distance to about 1 meter so that it doesn't blink when other things are moving around, cranes and materials. And when someone comes and he sees this and it marks you need to have a helmet on, he takes the helmet, and once you remove a helmet from the stand, the place where the helmet's at starts to blink, so that it reminds you that you need to put the helmet back. And that's basically what it does. It consists of a pole, which is just welded on a piece of plate, and it has some circuitry. We're going to have a look at the circuit now. I'm going to move the camera a little bit. So the helmet is screwed on with one screw, which I removed. And underneath it, you can see right here we have the Arduino board. And right here there is another board which I made, which just connects everything. I'm going to show you a picture from above so that you can see how this circuit, what it looks like. But it's basically just transistors, which there are LDRs on each one of the poles that hold the helmets. And once you remove a helmet, then the LDR is exposed to light, and that sends a signal to the Arduino, which then in turn turns on the LED. And you can see here we have the helmet, which has a light on it. It looks like this, which I just disconnected. But that's about it. I have wires that run from here. They go inside the pole and at the back, and they just go all over the place where they need to go. But that's it. It's pretty simple to make, fun, and brings good results. People see it, they notice it, and they immediately know, okay, well, I need to have a helmet on. And then they either go back and get one from their vehicle, or they just take one from the stand and then they put it back. So I'm going to show you now the circuit and what it looks like. The schematics, yeah, you can just duplicate one from the Arduino website. But for the rest, it's pretty simple. Nothing fancy, just 3 LDRs, 3 LED strips, and a few transistors in between them, a power regulator, voltage regulator from 12 volts to 5 volts. And that's about it. Hope you liked it.